Hey everyone, it's Zelda.
And Tony.
And
Michael.
And Amaya. We're pulled over at the laundromat. We're doing laundry. But somebody wanted a bottle. So Grandma and Grandpa we're just having a whole lot of fun. So, just want to say hi, and we haven't hit the road yet, but we will be hitting the road. We're getting ready for our trip.
June 1st.
Well, yeah, about June 1st, maybe, somewhere in there. Heading back toward Ohio. So, somebody's excited here. But we're going to make a few trips around in the area before we head back. Hi. Hello, sweetie pie. Hello. We're going to make some trips around here before we go back home to... I say home to Ohio because that's
my hometown.
That's where I feel like home is. So, just wanted to say hello, and we're going to be doing videos regularly here. I don't know what day we're going to pick. We're going to pick a day. Yes, we are. We're going to pick a day, and we're just going to shoot some videos and just kind of share with you what's around town and have a blast. So, we will see you on our next video. Bye. Oh, furnace is still not fixed.
Go talk about that one.
Yeah, that's going to be another video because that was, that was something. What are you doing?
Eating gum.
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.